Hi, I'm Simone from Infotainment.com, here with this week's infotainment and automobile industry update for the week of March 3rd. BMW announced in 2019 they would jump into the electric vehicle game and challenge the segment leader Tesla. At the time, the company committed to launching 25 new electrified vehicles to market by 2023. If rumors are correct, BMW will be releasing its first electric vehicle, the 2021 BMW i4, next year. CNET is reporting that the vehicle will have 530 horsepower and a range of 373 miles and a 0 to 60 time of 4 seconds. In addition, the vehicle's fifth generation batteries will reach 85% charge in only 35 minutes. BMW is set to reveal the concept i4 today at a digital press conference. The company had originally planned to reveal the vehicle at the Geneva Auto Show, but due to the show's cancellation due to health concerns, the company will debut the vehicle via the internet instead. The Chevrolet Impala is no more, at least in terms of new models. Last Thursday, the final Impala to be built rolled off the assembly line. GM announced earlier in the year that the assembly plant used to build the Impala is undergoing a $2 billion overhaul. Within the next 12 to 18 months, the location will be used to build the electric GMC Hummer pickup, an automated cruise origin electric vehicle sometime in 2021. To the Impala, we say farewell, old friend. Here's great news for all you third pedal enthusiasts. It seems the ever-resourceful Reddit community has unearthed documents indicating the new Ford Bronco, slated to be revealed later this month, will be offered with a manual transmission version. Car and Driver reported the rumor this week on their website. If true, the feature would definitely make the Bronco re-release a reason for excitement. According to source rumors, the Bronco will be first released as a two-door version with the full four-door version coming later. Let's all cross our fingers and hope we get a new three-pedal truck in production. The Tesla truck rocked the internet late last year. To put it simply, it looked very different from what most people envision when they think of a truck. Tesla founder Elon Musk took to Twitter to talk about his latest project. Musk talked about minor technical features not included in the original reveal. He also hinted that the truck may look different in production, saying the final version looks slightly better than a prototype. With Musk, one never knows, and has shown a flair for the dramatic, so small changes could translate into something totally unexpected. We'll have to wait, as production versions aren't projected until late 2021. That's our update for this week. To keep up with all the news and updates in the vehicle and infotainment industry, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube at Infotainment.com. And be sure to visit our website at www.infotainment.com. See you next week.